Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito po ang ating reading para sa mga Virgo. This is almost daily love reading. Take what resonates kasi hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Also, if you're a cross-watcher, pwedeng maging ikaw ito at hindi si Virgo. So bahala ka nang ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. And by the way guys, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, please do subscribe sa ating channel. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comment, and share. And also yung subscription nyo. Okay, so isa-shuffle ko lang guys yung cards. Meron pa pala kaming other channel guys. Yung Unicorn Princess Tarot at saka Madam PTV. Check nyo lang po yung description box. Itatag ko dyan yung ating other channels. Feel free to check it out. May mga Virgo readings din po tayo doon. Okay. So, kukunin muna natin yung side ng person mo. And then yung side mo, ha. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles, ha. So, pwedeng sinasabi kong siya, pero ikaw yon, ha. Depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. We have your Queen of Cups. So, ito yung main energy ng person mo. Nag-i-start ako sa person mo. And, kukunin naman natin yung side mo. So, we have here the world. Okay, this is your main energy right here. Pa-clarify ko lang. What's with the Queen of Cups? What's with the Queen of Cups? What's with the world? Hindi ko to kukunin. Okay. Ito, I feel like I need to get this. We have here the world, the Magician in reverse, 10 of Pentacles, and 7 of Cups. So, you might be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sag, Gemini. No, not Gemini. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. And for what I can see here, I feel like there's an offer dito sa side ng person. There's a lot of love here with the Queen of Cups. Okay? There's a lot of love here. Like, maaaring this person is having this kind of patience pagdating sa'yo. So, hindi siya ganun nagmamadali. And there's a lot of sacrifice sa energy niya. So, maaaring with the 6 of Wands, kung ano man ito, itong mga sakripisyong ito, itong kagustuhan ng person, there's a lot of love there. Lahat yan may halong pagmamahal. And actually looking forward siya sa maging successful itong connection, relationship, whatever it is na pinagsamahan ninyo or sa connection ninyong dalawa. This person wants success. Okay? And lahat yun nila sinasamahan niya ng dedication, ganyan, and a lot of love. And dito naman sa side mo, we have here the world. Okay. For what I can, alam mo, 2 major arcanas yung lumabas sa side mo, ha. 2 major arcanas. But the magician is in reverse. Ang problem lang ngayon, masyado kang nagiging sarado pagdating sa emotion mo or pagdating sa pagre-reach out dito sa taong to. Might be you are this kind of person na having this kind of problem with the finances right here with the 10 of Pentacles in reverse. So maaaring medyo may money problems ka ngayon. And so, nagli-lead ito sa miscommunication or hindi magandang communication with you and your person. Okay? And with the 7 of Cups in reverse, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, energy, I feel like you're afraid of this fake expectation. So, ayaw mo na munang mag-expect sa ngayon. That's why, although, there are signs for you na kailangan mong gawin, hindi mo pa minamanifest sa ngayon kung ano man ito mga kagustuhan mo. Kasi maaaring komplikado eh. Marami kang pinagdadaanan ngayon, especially something with regards to money. Okay? So, maaaring isa yan sa nakakaapekto dito sa'yo ngayon. So, it's like, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, nagkakaroon kayo ng miscommunication nitong person mo. Okay? And with the 6 of Wands, I feel like your person is like there, waiting. I feel like may offer itong person mo, kaya lang hindi mo pinapansin or hindi mo sure kung iti-take mo. As much as possible, gusto mo ng kumbaga i-guide ang sarili mo. Okay, sorry about that, naputol yung video. So ayun nga, I feel like you're really guiding yourself. We have here the Tower in reverse. 7 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag energy. There's a lot of fire sign. Okay, your person is concentrated more about his or her action. Doon siya nakakonsentrate eh. Kumbaga sa connection ninyong dalawa, maaaring yung person mo yung nagre-reach out. But, you know, you have here the Tower in reverse. So, maaaring gusto ko niyang makuha eh. This person would really like to have you. So, kung ano man yung mga action na ginagawa niya, maaaring may kinalaman yun sa pagmamanifest niya na makuha ka with the 7 of Wands. There's a lot of hope coming from your person. So, kumbaga umaasa pa rin siya eh. Sa'yo. And ikaw naman, continue ka lang sa ginagawa mo. Like, no, kailangan ko mag-focus dito. Kailangan ito, ganyan. So, maaaring ang dami mong focus dito. Especially career, business, ganyan. Kasi maaaring maraming nawala sa'yo. With the 7 of Cups, all of your cards are here in reversal. Kaya sobrang, kumbaga maaaring maraming nawala sa'yo or you're really looking forward dito sa new beginning for some of you. Yeah, we have here Death, which is Scorpio energy. Parang may naamoy akong amoy aso. I don't know, you might have a pet. I can really smell his breath. I mean your pet. Ayan. There's some sort of an offer here coming from your person. We have your 5 of Cups, 4 of Cups, 5 of Cups, Queen of Swords. The 5 of Cups at saka yung Queen of Swords both are in reversal. So, dito sa 4 of Cups in reverse natin, I feel like your person could really feel ngayon, iniisip niya na wala ka ng interest sa kanya. Like, hindi ka sigurado or hindi ka okay pagdating dito sa offer or kung hindi pa niya naibibigay yung offer, maaaring iniisip niya palang gawin iyon. Kaya lang, maaaring iniisip niya na hindi ka sigurado or baka hindi mo tanggapin. So, hindi siya ready. Or maaaring hindi niya pa ibinibigay itong offer na ito. Pero there's an offer here coming from your person. Actually, full of, I can see the Queen of Cups here holding full of offer coming from the cup. Ayun, no? So, maaaring kung ano man yung ibibigay niya sa'yo, punong-puno yun, and I feel like it's all positivity. Kaya lang, it's like, no, I'm not ready. Kailangan kong harapin itong mga problema ko and I have better things dito sa isip ko, ganyan. And mas tingin kong ako yung kailangan mag-handle dito sa situation na kinaharap ko ngayon. And we have your Queen of Swords in reverse coming from your person. So, may mga times na hindi niya nagugustuhan yung pagiging sharp tongue mo eh. May mga times na Hindi niya nagugustuhan yung mga words mo. Yan. Might be because of the distance. Yun nga, nagkakaroon ka ng miscommunication eh. So, may mga times na hindi mo na ipapahayag ng maigi yung gusto mong sabihin or yung talagang intention mo. And, ito iniisip ng person mo, like, ayaw niyang masaktan. Kaya lang, gusto niya magbigay ng offer. Kaya lang problem is baka masaktan siya. So, maaaring kung hindi pa naibibigay yung offer, ito yung nagpapaudlot sa kanya. Ayaw niya masaktan. Ayaw niyang masaktan siya sa mga words na sasabihin mo. Okay? And with the 5 of Cups in reverse, I feel like wala rin naman siyang lakas ng loob para gawin ito. Some sort of unacceptance here. Okay? Tsaka, gusto niya ng kapayapaan sa inyong dalawa. Okay, I'll take this. So, pagdating naman sa'yo, we have here the Empress, 9 of Pentacles in reverse, 7 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups in reverse. So, ano kukuha natin dyan with the Empress? I don't know. I feel like wala naman, I'm feeling like you're carefree. Wala ka namang, for some of you, pwedeng meron kang responsibilities or wala talaga at all. Take what resonates sa. Kasi yung isa dito, may responsibilities, pero carefree lang siya doon. Or the other one is like, wala siyang responsibility at all. Like, concentrated siya sa sarili niya, pag-aayos sa sarili niya. And this time around, maaaring yun ang ginagawa niya, inaayos niya yung sarili niya. And this is you, ha? And with the 9 of Pentacles in reverse, for some of you, you might be overspending. Kailangan mong medyo lie low. Especially for some of you, you're being materialistic ngayon. Maaaring this is your, yung chance mo na gamitin yung finances mo, yung pera mo, yung savings mo sa mas maayos na paglalagyan. Kaya lang, maaaring because of this financial insecurity na nararamdaman mo ngayon, ang ginagawa mo is like you're comforting yourself na maaaring kinocomfort mo yung sarili mo by overspending. Hindi mo naman kailangan, bibilin mo, ganyan. I feel like this is an advice for you. Ayan. I'm seeing someone here with the Empress working at home. Home-based job. Business. And with the 7 of Pentacles, I feel like pwedeng may pagkabagal yung flow ng money pagdating doon. And with the 10 of Cups in reverse, you feel like you're shattered. You have these shattered dreams. So may maaaring may mga pinapangarap ka, goals ka na bigla na lang nasira or nabasag. And you're very devastated here. Okay? And we have here 3 of Swords, so there's a lot of pain. Alam mo, coming from your side ito Like, maaaring deep inside, alam mo yung gusto mo talaga, but you cannot do anything about it. I mean, sorry about the noise, guys. So, kukuha lang ako ng cards from this deck. For some of you might be being hard on yourself, ha? I don't know. I feel like meron kang hindi pagpansin na ginagawa dito. Like, may mga ini-ignore ka pagdating dito sa person mo. Kasi nakita ko sa kayo, medyo finances ang concentration mo Okay? But, maaaring gusto mo rin naman makipag-communicate with some of you or kahit papaano man lang maramdaman itong presensya ng person mo pero medyo sinasarado mo yung sarili mo pagdating sa kanya. But I feel like you're watching this person. Watching, you know, social media, pwedeng ganun. So, pwedeng may pagwa-watch ang ginagawa dito sa person na ito. Pero you're not being open. So, we have here the coffin. Okay. The sword and rose. Alam mo yung person mo, gusto niya na maging honest sa'yo. We have here not enough. Gusto niya na maging honest. Some sort of clarity here. Revelation. So, maaaring may mga gusto siyang sabihin sa'yo, aminin. Like, his or her true emotions dito. Kasi yung person mo is like, this person is already ready with the coffin. Like, ang dami na nagbago sa kanya and maaaring gusto niya na ng growth, another level or deeper level of commitment, connection, communication, ganyan. Gusto niya na ng sabihin na nating change pagdating sa inyong dalawa. And growth. Gusto niya nang umamin eh. Or gusto niya nang sabihin sa'yo lahat eh. But, I feel like you're not ready with the not enough. There's a frustration dito sa side mo. Like, lack of confidence. Hindi ka pa ready eh. Especially pagdating sa finances, you're not ready. And, might be, you are frustrated right now. Having this self-sabotage right here. Ayun. So, marami kang hindi pa we have here the sword and rose. I'd like to get my cards for you. For some of you, kailangan may i-cut out pa dito with the sword of and rose. So, may kailangan pang putulin or tanggalin or baguhin. Pero alam mo, gusto na talaga niya maging honest of. We have here the golden mirror, self-absorbed narcissist, one-sided relationship, love bombing. Stab in the back, heartbreak, pain, separation, deception, shocking attack. And we have here lightning, sudden change, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, upheaval, transformation. Pwedeng magbigay itong person mo ng message dito na something na makakapag-transform nitong connection ninyo, makapagpabago. A lot of changes here. With the sword and rose and lightning. So, maraming pagbabago dito. Some kind of epiphany. At saka, parang tipong, ano niya eh, sasabihin niya sa'yo ito because gusto niya talaga ng transformation. Like, I can't take this anymore. Sasabihin ko na because I know I want this kind of connection with you. And kung ano man yung mga dating, kumbaga nagkaroon na siya yung, alam mo yung namatay na lahat, kumbaga natapos na lahat with the coffin. And now, your person is like here, ready with the golden mirror. Parang nakikita niya na yung sarili niya full of love. Kaya lang, pwedeng may this one-sided relationship right here. So, you feel, this person feels like, maaaring siya na lang itong nagbibigay or nagbibigay ng importansya dito sa connection yung dalawa. Pero, yun nga, parang gusto niya na clarity. Sasabihin ko na lang rin para malaman ko kung may na-expect pa ba ako or what. Kaya lang, you're not being cooperative here with the stab in the back. Kasi pwedeng undergoing ka pa sa pain or pag-adjust dito sa sitwasyon mo. Bottom of the deck, we have your date. So, maaaring maraming mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon na bago. I feel like someone is eating french fries. May potato kasi yung naaanuhan ko ngayon. Or nagbabalat ng patatas. Pwedeng ganun. So, tingnan natin yung emotions niya sa'yo. We have the strength. One more card, please. We have here 8 of Cups and Page of Cups. Yes, there's an offer here full of love. Alam mo, malakas na loob nitong person mo ngayon. I don't know to you ha, kasi ikaw itong pinanghihinaan ng connection, pinanghihinaan ng loob sa inyong dalawa. And like, ikaw itong sumusuko, ikaw itong very sarado. Pagdating sa communication, hindi ka ganun ka-open and with the strength. This is your person. Leo energy. Ayun na, gusto niya na ng victory between the two of you. And with the 8 of Cups in reverse, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, medyo humahanap lang siya ng tamang timing with the Page of Cups para sabihin sa'yo yung, pag nagkaroon ng opportunity between the two of you, mag-open up siya sasabihin niya sa'yo. Sasabihin niya sa'yo yung emotions niya. Or kung ano ka talaga sa kanya. Sabihin niya yun. Just wait for it. Umahanap lang siya ng timing Kaya lang hindi niya matsyempohan kasi currently ngayon, may miscommunication tayo nakikita dito. At saka, you might be concentrated dito sa mga bagay na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. There's the shadow side. So, a lot of problems here. And with the Emperor, Aries energy. For some of you, you might be waiting. Kaya lang, naghihintay ka. Problema sa'yo with the 8 of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Masyado ka sarado. Might be pagdating sa communication, hindi ka nga cooperative or ganun ka communicative dito sa person mo na ito. Take what resonates Pwedeng side mo itong gustong mag-open dito sa person na ito. Pero your person would really like to open up. Part of you is waiting, part of you is parang nagsasarado or sinasarado mo yung sarili mo pagdating dito sa communication or being open dito sa taong to. Sa inyong dalawa, parang you're just overthinking, like kinikriticize mo yung sarili mo, some sort of entrapment here dito sa side mo. So, feeling nakakulong or may mga pinipigilan ka nga. And King of Wands is here. It's been a King of Wands. Okay. So, King of Wands clarified by the High Priest and 3 of Swords. Okay, so this is your person's energy. Might be, pwedeng may third party involved pa dito sa situation and nakikita mo na ito na hindi pa nag-i-end sa ngayon. And we have here the High Priest. You might be dealing with this person na magaling or medyo mataas or maganda yung level ng kanyang spiritual knowledge. Kumbaga, someone na kind of a healer dito. Yung the way he or she speaks, nakaka-heal yan ng mga broken-hearted, pwedeng ganon. So, pwedeng magaling siyang advisor. And at the same time, pwedeng magaling siya as a person talaga dito. Because King of Wands for me is someone na magaling talaga. Especially sa mga hahawakan niya. Kung ano man yung gustuhin niya and hawakan niya yun, kayang-kaya niya. But there's some sort of an ending here na hindi nangyayari with the Tower in reverse. So, might be ito yung nakikita mong problem, kaya nagkakaroon ng problema sa inyong dalawa. Pero itong person mo actually ready na Ready to open up, parang to discuss about this situation. Parang pag-usapan natin ano bang maganda. And I really like you. I think you're my soulmate, or for some of you, might be a twin flame. Sasabihin niya yon. And this person is ready. Okay? Kaya lang, ang daming insecurities sa'yo. I feel like this is a twin flame connection for some of you kasi Queen of Cups in reverse is here. So, this is your energy na nakukuha natin. And you're mirroring your person. We have your Queen of Cups and mini-mirror mo siya. Kaya lang, ikaw, hindi ka okay ngayon because you're being mystical. Parang, hindi naman, mysterious, ganyan. You're being mysterious. You're having a lot of insecurities. Might be yung insecurities mo is because hindi ka rin sigurado kung ano yung emotions niya sa'yo, kung mag-work pa ba, kasi maaaring hindi pa na ibibigay yung offer or yung mga emotions or yung mga words dito. So, alamin natin kung ano yung magiging action ng person mo. We have here the Hanged Man. Also, this person is not going to wait. Hindi na siya maghihintay ng matagal pa. Siya na yung gagawa ng action, no? sa inyong dalawa. We have here the Six of Swords in reverse. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Gusto niya na ng new beginning. Gusto niya na ng pagbabago. Gusto niya na ng new love. Okay, and with the High Priest, sinusunod niya na yung intuition niya, yung tingin niyang makakabuti para sa inyong dalawa. Kumbaga, pagdating sa communication, sa connection ninyong dalawa, the High Priest is someone na parang, alam mo yon, yung tipong, wala akong kinakatakutan. I feel like I need to have this new beginning with you. I will not wait any longer. Okay? Bibigay niya yung offer, magsasabi siya, magsasalita siya. We have your Knight of Cups in reverse, the Ace of Wands in reverse, the Star. Okay, gusto mo ito eh. This is your wish. This is one of your wish fulfillment. Kaya lang, miscommunication na naman ito with the Ace of Wands. Hindi ka nagiging ganun ka-communicative pagdating sa person mo. Maaaring siya ito yung tipo ng tao na, okay, once you're online or once you're online or whatsoever, makikita niya yon, and then as much as possible, magme-message siya. Pero, kung dati nagkakaroon ng pagpipigil dito sa person mo, this time around, hindi na. Medyo malakas na yung, alam mo, very full na yung energy ng person mo with the Queen of Cups. So, kung you are dealing with the twin flame, your person now is being this may oneness ako nararamdaman sa kanya. Kumbaga, nakuha niya na yung sarili niya, being whole. Kasi alam mo, ang twin flame connection, each one of you should be whole bago kayo magkaroon ng pagtatagpo. Wag mo hanapin yung mga pagkukulang mo dun sa ibang tao, ay dun sa isang tao, your twin flame. But rather, i-concentrate mo sa sarili mo, kailangan maging buo ka para pareho na kayong buo bago kayo magsama. Ang problem sa'yo, medyo na-late ka ng konti dito with the Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Concentrated ka sa fantasies mo. Like, maaaring wala ka kasing mai-offer pagdating dito sa person na ito. And, or, meron naman, kaya lang hindi ka nagko-concentrate doon. Kasi, nahihirapan ka pagdating sa new beginning mo sa nangyayari sa'yo. And with the Ace of Wands in reverse, right here, there's some sort of a delay because of this. Kung ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon, nakakapag-cause yan ngayon ng delay sa inyong dalawa. Kasi yung person mo ready na to open up. Okay? So, alamin natin. Some sort of clarity here. So, alamin natin yung magiging outcome. What would be your outcome? Okay, so we have here 10 of Wands. I feel like this is a actually nag-appear siya ng anong tawag dito? Pag ganun, which is reverse position. Pero the way I grab the cards, napa-upright siya, so I feel like this is an upright. Hindi ako nagbe-base sa kung paano siya nagpakita. Nagbe-base ako sa kung paano ko siya ginrab. Okay. So, I feel like this is a upright card. And we have here Page of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sag energy. Yes! With the 10 of Wands, some sort of an ending is going to happen here. Okay? Kasi, na-accomplish na ng person mo yung mga dapat niyang ma-accomplish. Like yung, kumbaga, kumpleto na siya. May mga burden, may mga pabigat. Pero sa totoo lang, wala na siyang pakialam na, like, yung mga pressures, lahat ng yan, tatangganin niya na yan eh. Some sort of an ending here. Pero I feel like, medyo malaki yung tatanggalin dito. So, I feel like this person needs your help. Maaaring ikaw itong makakatulong dito sa person mo na ito para matapos itong whatever it is na i-end dito. And nagkakaroon na siya ng parang lakas ng loob na I know you're with me. Alam ko naman eh. This person is going to message you. Ito yung outcome mo. Page of Wands is a very beautiful message. So, magme-message itong person na ito sa iyo to have this very beautiful adventure with you, to grab this chance para magkaroon ng growth sa inyong dalawa. And we have here the Lovers, Gemini energy. It's a union, connection, love. Maaaring medyo matagal na rin yung pinagsamahan ninyong dalawa. And I feel like your person is no longer gonna wait for more. Pero right now is the right time. Gagrab ko tong opportunity na ito. Tapos, ang pinakamaganda pa dyan, bottom of the deck is we have here Two of Cups. Which is a very beautiful relationship, connection, love sa inyong dalawa. So, high possibility na magkaroon ng relationship dito or kahit man lang expression of love. Ganyan. And, it's a beautiful reading, ha? Although may mga pinagdadaanan ka, may problema ka, I feel like you need this person. And then, this person, kung ano man yung i-end niya or whatever it is na kailangan niya pang pagdaanan, nandito na yung offer na, oy, kailangan kita, tulungan mo ko dito, tutulungan kita dyan. And there's this partnership here with the Lovers and the Two of Cups. Very beautiful partnership. Kung this is a twin flame connection, your person here, full na siya, whole na siya. Okay? Full of love. Kaya lang parang may mga bagay kang kailangan ayusin sa sarili mo and itong taong to willing siyang tulungan ka. And meron din naman siyang kailangan ayusin dito. And this person would really like you to help him or her. Kailangan niya rin ng tulong mo. So this person is going to message you. And magtutuloy-tuloy na yon. And mapupunta na siya sa relationship, marriage, love, union, lahat yan. Okay? So, that's it for now, Virgo. Thank you for watching. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam PTV, and Virgo Philippines. I love you all, guys, and bye-bye.